A massive 117 million WLD tokens just shifted hands in an OTC deal, sparking debate across the crypto world. Worldcoin transferred these tokens to FalconX and Binance, receiving $35 million USDC in return. This strategic move aims to manage liquidity and minimize market impact, with traders watching WLD price and volume for the next big shift. Millions of unbacked USR tokens were minted in a contract exploit, causing the stablecoin to lose its dollar peg. The attackers swapped the tokens for stablecoins and ETH, triggering a sharp price drop and liquidity crisis. Resolv Labs has paused the protocol and is investigating, highlighting ongoing DeFi security risks. BitMine just locked up over 3.14 million ETH, worth $6.75 billion into staking, now controlling nearly 3.8% of Ethereum supply. This massive institutional move reduces circulating ETH, strengthens network security, and signals long-term confidence as validator queues hit record highs. Ethereum's supply squeeze and rising validator demand could reshape the market landscape. A fake vendor scheme drained Amazon of $9.4 million in just 6 months. 2 women submitted fraudulent invoices and spent the stolen money on luxury cars and a $1 million home. One has been sentenced to 16 years in prison, while the other awaits sentencing. Pre-IPO stock trading with limit orders is now live on Jupiter, letting anyone access private company shares on Solana 24/7. Through a partnership with Pre-Stocks, users can trade tokenized shares of companies like OpenAI and SpaceX, with real-time execution and no minimums. While this opens private markets to all, questions remain about regulatory risks and the true nature of these synthetic assets. A decade-long regulatory debate just ended as Bitcoin and 15 tokens are now classified as commodities, not securities. Despite this breakthrough, Bitcoin's price dropped to $69.370, with major holders like Strategy facing unrealized losses. Market volatility continues as institutional investors reassess risks amid global tensions and large-scale sell-offs. Even a modest 2% Bitcoin allocation by Morgan Stanley could unleash $160 billion in demand, dwarfing current ETFs. Feng Lei, CEO of Strategy, highlights that if Morgan Stanley's spot Bitcoin ETF is approved, institutional flows could reshape the crypto landscape. The ETF, set to trade as MSBT, would directly hold Bitcoin, with BNY Mellon and Coinbase as key partners. A major crypto founder just moved his entire $251 million USDT stash into Ethereum, raising eyebrows across the blockchain world. Erik Voorhees, known for his early Bitcoin advocacy and founding Shapeshift, executed this high-profile swap, signaling strong confidence in ETH's future. Analysts see this as a bold bet on Ethereum's long-term growth and a potential trendsetter for other industry leaders. Imagine trading Apple or Tesla stocks 24/7, just like Bitcoin. No more waiting for Wall Street's opening bell. Coinbase now offers stock perpetual futures to non-US users, with up to 20x leverage and USDC settlement, blending crypto and equities in one platform. This move signals a new era where crypto traders can access major US stocks anytime, boosting flexibility and risk strategies. OpenAI is merging ChatGPT, Codex, and Atlas into a single desktop superapp to streamline user experience and boost execution speed. The new app will focus on agentic AI, enabling users to automate coding, data analysis, and web navigation in one place. This move comes as competitor Anthropic gains traction, pushing OpenAI to simplify and strengthen its core offerings. China is set to add 12 new commercial banks to its digital Yuan system in 2026, marking a major step in ECNY's integration into mainstream banking. With this move, nearly all systemically important banks will support ECNY, which has already processed over 3.5 billion transactions worth 16.7 trillion yuan. The policy shift reclassifies ECNY as interest-bearing deposits, incentivizing banks to promote digital currency use in daily transactions. Tentative agreement between the White House and key senators could finally unlock the first major federal crypto regulations. The deal aims to balance innovation with financial stability, addressing disputes over stablecoin yields between banks and digital asset firms. If passed, this bill would set a new standard for U.S. digital asset oversight, impacting exchanges, tokens, and custody services nationwide.